Good Together is Whitbread's corporate social responsibility programme, and that covers everything from building the most sustainable hotels, our existing estate, upgrading them and reducing our environmental impact. And we've set ourselves some targets. So we've got a target to reduce our energy consumption and our carbon footprint by 26% by 2020, water by 20% by again 2020, and we're also looking at our waste to landfill and reducing that by 80% by 2012, which is a big target and something that's going to be difficult to achieve. And then we've got other areas, so we've got the apprenticeship programme, we've got Water Aid, which is our sponsored charity, and we want to get £1 million to them, and then the Costa Foundation, where they're providing schools in Africa and education programmes. So that's Good Together, really.
Burgess Hill is a little bit special because we use grey water systems in the hotel. So all our bath water is filtered, cleaned, and that's put back into our public toilets and our hotel toilets. We use rainwater. We've got a storage tank under the car park, which holds about 3,000 litres of water, which then again goes back into our toilets.
The water gets heated by the ground source heat pump. We've got 15 boreholes. They go down 100 metres each. For the first time, we think ever, we're taking the extract heat from the kitchen and using that to preheat water. We've heavily insulated the building, triple glazed windows. The lift is battery operated. It goes up and then the gravity of bringing it down powers a battery to then help it go back up again.
In the office, we've got a laptop that tells us exactly what our energy consumption is, our water consumption, gas, electricity. It looks at when the heaters are coming on, when the heaters are going off. It monitors all the equipment in the kitchen.
All our taps are hand sensor operated. You put your hand under them, water comes out, you leave it, water turns off. All the lights come on automatically when you enter a room, turn off when you leave the room.
We're encouraging all the team to recycle. So behind the scenes, we've got a lot of sort of bins for cardboard, plastic, glass, paper.
The most important thing for all of these things is guest impact. We do not want the guests impacted in any negative way by anything we've done.
To be honest, I did not notice it.
A lot of big businesses are looking at staying in places where companies are looking after the environment.
That question does come up from customers when we book events for customers about, certain aspects of the hotel, and obviously that would be a key factor to be able to say to customers that we've booked a hotel because it is green.
It shows people that that Whitbread as a brand does care about the environment, does care about the future generations to come.
3/4 of our guests want to stay at a hotel that is doing something towards improving its impact on the environment.
To be honest, first I'd go for price for staying at a hotel, and then secondly environment. It'd be that way around. And it seems to be both.
We are the only UK hotel company that's expanding the rate we are, and we're trying to do something on every site. We're investing this year £7 million in energy reduction programmes across the estate. We're spending £2.5 million on LED light bulbs, and these light bulbs last 4 to 6 years. We're putting in low flow shower heads. We're rolling out insulation across our rooms. If you can turn the insulation from 4 inches to up to sort of 18 inches, you can cut your energy bills, and it's cheap. It's actually the whole kind of thing that everyone should be doing at home.